How to know if someone blocked you on Instagram? Well, I'm going to show you guys all of the signs how to notice that someone has actually blocked you. And yeah, let's get started. So if this video helped you out, definitely let me know in the comments. And what you want to do is, for example, send a couple of random messages or just send a message to the account that you might think has blocked you. And then if that account hasn't seen your message, then it might just be that he just hasn't seen your message. But let's say this has been like 2 weeks ago, then that's quite weird that someone has like opened your message for 2 weeks. So that might be a sign, if there is not a scene here on the bottom right corner under your messages, that that person has blocked you. But let's say I were to switch to that account, open up the messages real quick, then switch back. So now you can see that it does say seen just now, which means that person hasn't blocked me. Now, the second way to actually notice if someone has blocked you is also very easy. So I just went ahead and blocked myself on this account. Now, as you can see at the bottom, my messages are not coming through anymore. And if I were to go to their profile, then it will say user not found, which is the #1 sign that you are actually blocked, because that user is still on Instagram, but it just blocked you, so you cannot see it anymore. Now, if I were to go to the followers and following, it also says couldn't load users. And in general, if I go to the search bar real quick and try to search for their account, I can still see it. And once again, it says user not found. But when someone has blocked you for quite some time, you might not even be able to actually search for their name anymore. It will just completely disappear for you. So keep that also in mind, that if you were to search for the exact username and you won't be able to find it anymore, then that also means that they have probably blocked you, unless they have deactivated or deleted their account. So these are the 2 signs to know if someone has blocked you. And if this video was helpful, let me know, and I will see you next time.